What a crazy time it has been in the market. We've had Reddit, Wall Street bets, we've had big earnings being reported from some big companies out there, yet the share price has been dropping. We've had a sell-off pretty much in the market overall, and we've had GEVO going down substantially this past week. We're going to be talking about, is it time to panic sell your shares? What's my strategy for the upcoming weeks? Where do I think this will go in the short term and in the long term? And I'm going to give you my thoughts on GEVO. So if you appreciate that, please go ahead and smash the like, subscribe to my channel as well. It really is appreciated. And if you want my daily updates on whether I've been buying, selling shares, you can join our Discord. It's completely free. First link in the description below. Please remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so if you are planning on investing into the stock market, you should always do your own research first. So let's get straight into this one. We're talking about GEVO, the big energy company, the big biofuel, sustainable energy company that's aiming to get net zero carbon emissions. We are loving this company on my channel right now. I spoke about this one a few different times, so if you're completely new, then check out some of those videos. We're going to a deeper dive. We've covered the jet fuel, the diesel fuel, the animal feed, the agriculture side of things, the aeroplanes, the aviation side of things. It's all there. We've covered it all, and we've covered major catalysts for this company going forward. So check that out. But today we're going to be talking about, is it time to sell your shares, buy more? What's the strategy going forward? Where do we think this is going to go in the next few weeks? So I think we can all agree it's been an absolutely crazy time in the market last week. People who weren't even interested in stocks, are paying attention to it because it's been all over the news. Let's look at GEVO, okay? Last week, in the last 5 days, from the Monday to Friday, we saw a big drop. Overall, they dropped 19.43%. So almost 20% there. Drop for GEVO. Now that, on a normal day-to-day scale of stock market, is huge. 19.43%. That is big. But we have to consider the run-up that this company has been on. If we just go back to 1 month ago, so the run-up started around about the 8th of January. Okay, that's when we started to see momentum, the administration coming in, etc. That's when this company really started to hit the headlines. 8th of January was still a penny stock. It was at 440. The run-up from then to its current price is still over 130%, which is crazy gains in the space of about 2.5, 3 weeks. That is absolutely insane. So yes, we've seen a drop-off. We've seen a drop for about almost 20%. However, we have to remember the run-up that this has been on. So why have we seen a sell-off in GEVO? There must be some bad news. No, nothing bad has come out around this company, okay? We've still got all of the fundamentals we spoke about are still there. They've still got all the big catalysts going forward. So they've got amazing financials. The cash, $535 million on their balance sheet and no debt. Joe Biden is for the Democrats and they're all for environmentally friendly options, saving the environment, etc. That still stands. That hasn't changed, okay? He's only just got in office. He's got time to work on this, that's for sure. All of the airlines, United Airlines, Boeing, they all still want to make their planes energy efficient and use an alternative energy source. GEVO potentially. There's lots of good catalysts going forward. You can check out my previous videos on this company. So there hasn't been any bad news around this company. The reason we are seeing a sell-off is just following the rest of the market, okay? AMC and Wall Street Bets and GameStop, a lot of people have been taking money out of these different stocks to pull it into those stocks. That's why we're seeing a lot of the market drop. It's just I wouldn't say this was a crash at the moment, because a crash, it needs to drop a lot further than this, that's for sure. But it's somewhat of a correction over the past week. We spoke about Pola Power on this channel as well. If we look at their last week, a company that I'm invested in and like as well, they are also down 19%. Another big drop for a company that has been on incredible gains. Even Sunworks, another company that I like, they are down 30%. Big drops generally all round, okay, minus the odd couple of companies. Even companies that have reported amazing earnings or really good earnings or good news, i.e. Tesla. Tesla is down this week. That is very rare to say, okay. Tesla's dropped 7% on the week. That is unheard of for this company, especially this year anyway. This year, Tesla has just been going up and up and up. So to see a big drop off like that, pretty big, okay? Something's going on in the market. Facebook, another big company that reported pretty good earnings, down 7%. Apple, another company that reported amazing earnings. They smashed their earnings, down 7%. These big companies are all down. So the reason GEVO is down is just following the rest of the market right now. That is why we're seeing a sell-off. No bad news has come out around this company. So what's my strategy with GEVO going forward? Well, I think it's clear that I haven't sold any of my shares. I've actually been buying some more. I didn't buy that much, okay, but I did on Friday buy a little bit. However, if we do keep seeing a drop next week and we do go below that $10 mark, because we're currently sitting at 10.16. I didn't think we was going to get back down to below the 10, but if we do, I think this is personally is an amazing buying opportunity. So I'll probably be averaging a little bit in. I'm averaging up from my position because we're already sitting on big gains, but I won't be taking any of that profit out, okay? I'm a long-term investor in this company. This is not a trade for me. So I think the two main things here when investing into GEVO is, one, do you like the company? Why? What's the fundamentals behind it? What's the catalyst going forward? All of that still stands. And two, what was your price target for this? Are you a long-term investor? How long are you planning on holding this company? If you're a long-term investor, then that of course still stands because we've only just started out with this company really, okay? We're early days. They've got a long way to go. So I really do like GEVO going forward. Like I say, if we do see a drop off next week to below $10, and the market does keep going down, then I probably will buy some more actually at these prices because I think it's amazing. Even though I will be averaging up, I do think it's a good price to get in at, especially below that $10. Something we haven't spoke about on this channel before around GEVO is analysts. What are the analysts rating this stock, okay? It only got 2 analyst ratings, and one of those ratings was actually updated just a few days ago. And that was by Noble Financial. They've stuck to their buy rating. So it's got 2 ratings, both of which have been given a buy. Okay, I don't tend to follow the analysts too much because I like to do my own analysis on these companies and decide, and whether I think it's a good investment. But both of them have given it a buy rating. Noble Financial have set a price target of $16 for this one, and that makes a general consensus price target of $10.50. So that is up on its current price. However, I'm not buying this company now with the aim of making a quick 40 cents. This is a company for me that I'm looking to get $20, $40, something like that over the next year or two. I really think $20 is a good short-term price target. And like I said in my previous video, $40 by the end of the year, that would be a great aim. That's really what I'm aiming for with this company. However, like I say, I'm not looking to sell at that price. It's a long-term hold. So if it makes it amazing, we'll carry on. And if it doesn't, it doesn't matter. We're still going to get there. That's my thoughts on this company. I really do like them. So yeah, if my opinion changes or the fundamentals change, then I'll of course keep you guys updated as well. But I'm interested to know what you're doing with your position. I know a lot of people out there have been asking me, is it time to sell because it's been dropping? Will it keep dropping? The answer is I think we could potentially see this keep dropping. I more so reckon this could consolidate around this $10 level. If it goes up, amazing. However, if it's not and you haven't built your position yet, this is a great time to keep building on your position. So that's my thoughts. Let me know what you're doing with GEVO and the rest of your stocks in the portfolio, okay? It's been a very interesting week, that's for sure, and it's going to be even more interesting next week. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching. If you can smash the like and subscribe to my channel, that is of course greatly appreciated. Join our Discord, it is completely free. I'm going to let you know on all my buy and sell alerts on a daily basis, so you can join that first link in the description. Thanks for watching, and until next time,